Advanced Subsidiary, Paper 1, Pure Mathematics, 2023. Answer all questions. Question 1, a curve has equation. Find dy over dx, writing your answer in simplest form. Hence, find the range of values of x for which y is decreasing. So you want to differentiate. Differentiate means multiply by the power and subtract 1 from the power. So you multiply by 3 and you minus 1 from 3. So that gives you 3 times 2 over 3x squared. Multiply by the power and subtract 1 from the power. And this one is power 1, multiply by 1 and subtract 1. And this is x to the power 0, multiply by 0 and subtract 1. So this would give you 3 times 2 over 3x squared. The 3 will cancel, you got 2x squared. The 2 will cancel, you got 7x. Differentiating 4x, you get 4. Differentiating 5, you get 0. So it's 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. Part B, solve the equation dy over dx equals to 0. So go 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 equals to 0. You can use the quadratic formula, but for A levels, you can just use your calculator. You will get x to the minus a half and x equals to 4. And you want the values which are below 0. So you start from minus a half to 4. So that's the range of values from minus a half to 4. So for the students who have a graphics calculator, if you plot the original function, you will see that the maximum point is there at minus a half, and the minimum point is there at 4. So between minus a half and 4, you see the graph is decreasing. See there. So that shows you the answer if you have a graphics calculator. That's how you put that in the graphics calculator. Change the view window from minus 10 to 10 and minus 40 to 10, and it will show you that clearly. Same with the graphics calculator. You can plot that quadratic there. Use that for the view window. You will see it starts at minus a half and then it ends at 4. Question number 2. In this question, you must show all stages of your working. Solutions relying on calculator technology are not acceptable. Use the calculator technology, but show your working. Let u be square root of x. So wherever you see x, you replace it. You replace x with u with square root of x. So that means u squared. That means u squared is equals to x. So you will replace x with u squared, with x with u, and then you have this quadratic. Use your calculator to solve it to get 4 over 3 and minus 5 over 2. So replace u with square root of x. So square root of x is 4 over 3, and square root of x is minus 5 over 2. And to get x, you would square this left side and square that right side. So 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9. You square this side and square this side. Don't forget to put the brackets. So you get x is equals to 25 over 4. 25 over 4 must be discarded. So your only answer is this one. That's question number 3. Figure 1 is a sketch showing the position of 3 phone masks A, B, and C. So the first thing is between A and C, 8.2 kilometers. and the bearing is 072 degrees, which is 72 degrees. You mark 72 degrees and join A and C. And the bearing always starts from the north. Between C and B is 15.6 kilometers, and the bearing is 39 degrees. So the difference between them is 72 minus 39. It gives you 33 degrees. So that's 33 degrees there. So what you want to deal with now is this triangle. I'll put the triangle in yellow. So you have that triangle there. I hope you can see it. Nobody is colorblind who cannot see yellow. You want to find that length of that side, AB. So we're going to use cosine rule. So AB squared is equals to 8.2 squared plus 15.6 squared minus 2 times 8.2 times 15.6 equals 33. So we will use the cosine rule. Put all of this in your calculator with the square root, and you get 9.8 kilometers. That's the distance for AB. And part B, give a reason why the answer to part A is unlikely to be accurate value for the distance the engineer travels. The road is unlikely to be straight. The road might not be straight, it might be wobbly. There may be objects in the way. Basis of mass unlikely to be the same. It might not be horizontal. So any of those.